My name is Jonathan Cisneros, and our company is Wynwood Floors, partnered with our manufacturer, RIVA Floors. Being that we're in South Florida, there's a lot of humidity, and expansion and contraction will happen with any type of solid floor. And a lot of our clients from New York, they don't really know or are educated with the structure of engineered floor. So you take the top portion, which is your solid layer, right, and you engineer it on top of a ply structure. So this is a birch ply structure of 7 layers of ply, right? One is vertical, the other one is horizontal. And the reason being is when the floor wants to expand or contract one way, the opposite board holds it stable the other way. And a big fact that separates us from other manufacturers are our lengths. We have lengths up to 8 feet long. We could customize and go even longer. So that's what separates us from everybody else in the industry. Come visit us at the shop. We'd love for you to see our gallery in Wynwood. And we're very different in the sense that our manufacturer is here based in Miami. So we have stock over 2 million square feet here in Florida. So when clients need material next day, we're able to commit to that and deliver it next day.